So what?
What are we doing?
We are putting up our blinds.
Are they blinds? Exactly what are they?
Yeah, I guess it could be blinds. It is roller shades, to be specific. Just marking the points that I'm going to be putting the screws in. Really no measuring, just wherever is in between 2 points is where I'm going to drill.
Okay.
Why complicate things? That's pretty sad. Alright, and on this side. If anybody likes my beard, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because it did take me about 2 weeks to grow. Not too bad. Yeah, looks about right. So, any questions, comments, suggestions, by all means, feel free to leave it in the comment section. We always appreciate that. Of course, as first-time homeowners, tiny homeowners, we are just trying to play everything by ear and make the most of the situation. You want to tell them where we got the roller shades?
We got it from online. The website's called Select
Blinds. Yes.
Selectblinds.com.
So,
Oops, sorry.
The reason I'm not using a power tool is because this tight corner right here is just not allowing me to use the power drill to make a hole. So I basically have to do everything manually. We really only have about a centimeter gap, and of course if we were to use a drill with a drill bit to pre-drill a hole, it would just be going in at an angle, and we don't want that.
Yeah, because the drill is too big.
So if
we need to drill in a tight corner.
If you know of a better way, to access tight spaces by pre-drilling a hole in this kind of given situation, yeah, let us know. We still got several other roller shades to put up. Should have seen me yesterday. It was ridiculous. I've never grunted so much as an AM.
We put that one there yesterday. It fits perfectly. So we're doing this side of the window. Just
re-drill some holes here by force. It's crazy because I'm not even doing 1/4 turn at a time. It's more like 1/16 of a turn at a time. Oh my goodness. Just using this and I can feel my blood pressure change.
Okay, we're gonna come back later.
Make this PG-13.
Go Dodgers!
Go Dodgers!
Okay, we'll be back.
I put up the first bracket for the roller shades.
That didn't take too long, right?
Not like the first time. Even
though it was by hand.
Yeah, I think we just had better leverage.
Okay.
Well. Cool, and that's the second one.
That's the second rack.
All right, now just to put it up.
Okay.
This side.
All right, okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
You go first, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oops, be careful. Push the thing in. So, if we're gonna follow the first set of shades, I'm gonna put it on the bottom wall, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And it's in. And then,
Done.
sweet. Spacing right. Ah, spacing is beautiful.
Wanna try it?
And to quote something from 300, and I'm paraphrasing, you're gonna shoot arrows so high and into the sky that it's gonna block out the sun. Instruction manual. Ooh, it's kinda tight. All right,
Perfect though.
we're good. High five. Come in, come in, come in. High five.
Yay!
All
We
right.
did it.